Here comes Booba. And here comes Booba's friend.
Welcome, Booba, to my magic show. Please enjoy the great magic trick. Look what I got. This is not just a regular tissue. It's a magic tissue. Look, watch closely. Oh! The spoon, the magic spoon is levitating. Just like this.
How exciting! A flying spoon?
Yes. So, do you want to know how I did it?
Ooh, yes, please.
Okay, then watch closely. Grab a fork and a spoon, insert the end of the spoon into the fork's prongs, and then, with one hand, take the side of the tissue and a fork, and with the other hand, take the other side of the tissue, and then reveal the spoon and move it with your fingers, just like this. Ooh. Wanna try? Okay, then here you are.
Now it's Booba's turn to try the trick. Are you ready, Booba? Oops!
Well, that's okay. I can help you. Just 1 second. Just like this. Let me do it for you. Right there. You take one side with your one hand. And the other side like this. Yeah.
Booba is going to have another go.
Bravo!
Yes! Well done, Booba.
Oh! It's impossible.
But look, Booba is doing it very well.
Wow! Booba, you're a real magician. Wow! How did you do that?
Yes! Show us how you did it, Booba.
Huh? Wait. Where did it go? Booba, good job.
What a great magic trick. Let's celebrate. Bye-bye, everyone. See you next time.